All right, welcome back, everybody. So, I've been running into some problems with my pool recently, so I figure I'd get a sand filter while I was on sale, and today I'm going to show you how to put one together. So, this is the sand filter, and it comes with a huge plastic vessel and a valve, uh, switch valve that goes on top. It came with a motor, and also let me go grab the other parts that also came with it. Alright, came with a base where the drum will sit. For the inside, there's a conveyance pipe and also like a screen to keep the sand from going into the filter. Furthermore, it came with some filter balls along with a large bag of accessories, and this is for the bottom drain hole. There's a hole towards the bottom of the tank and a pipe. So as the first exercise, let's go ahead and put the drain hole towards the bottom here into the tank. So there's no threading on this side, so we gotta thread it from the inside of the pipe like this, from the outside. This connector, this nut. This will serve as our tag. Now working on the top of the filter. The first order of business is we take the strainer stand and we put it inside the tank. Alright, second order of business is that we want to retain this piece right here. This is a sand screen. Alright, so what it does is when we need to put sand into the body, we put this over it and we dump sand into it, so that way we won't get sand inside the pipe. Alright, so that's why you want to keep this piece and not lose it. Now the third step, actually got ahead of myself. So we want to take the filter stand and insert it into the valve head. It's just a natural fit. It's not real snug. It doesn't have to be, so it just has to be seated into it. All right, now when we before we seat it, find the biggest gasket that they provide and be sure to put it in place. I also neglected to mention on first installation, go ahead and take some lubricant. I have some dish soap and rub it around the perimeter to help with the installation. Then once it's seated, take the clamps, and put it over the neck. Alright, they could do better on this part. They give you like 100 of these gaskets, but they don't really specify the size. Couldn't find an instruction book, so go ahead and use your common sense where you believe it might leak, and just put a gasket in between the tightening components.